Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about partial fractions. So I will put about a over s, b over s minus number 2, cs plus d over s squared plus 3. Because we have the power 2 in here, that's why on numerator we need to reduce the power by negative number 1. So number 2 minus number 1, we have s, and from s we reduce to s to the power of number 0 in here. That's why we have d. Next, we do common denominator. So this one, it is missing about s minus number 2, s squared plus number 3. So capital A multiplied by s minus number 2, s squared plus number 3. About this one, it is missing about s and s squared plus 3. So capital B multiplied by s and s squared plus 3. About this one, it is missing about s and s minus number 2. So cs plus d multiplied by s and s minus number 2. Now this one, that is about this one. Now we need to expand this one. And this one. And this one. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s to the power of 3. We have a with number 1, b with number 1, and c. About s squared, we have a with negative number 2, b with number 3. Negative 2c and positive d. About s, a with number 3, b with number 3, and we have negative 2d. And the last one, we have negative 6a. Now we put this one go on here. Next, we need to compare coefficients. About s to the power of 3, we have number 2 in here. So a plus b plus c equals to number 2. About s squared, this one equals to number 1. And this one equals to negative number 2. And the last one equals to number 2 in here. And now we create the system of equations. A plus b plus c equals to positive number 2, negative 2a, negative 2c plus d equals to number 1. And the next one, 3a plus 3b minus 2d equals to negative number 2. And negative 6a equals to positive number 2. And now we need to find the solutions of A, B, C, D. And here is about the solution of A, B, C, D. Now I will put A, B, C, D go in here. So A equals to negative 1 over 3, B equals to 9 over 7, C equals to this one, D equals to this one. And now we need to separate them in here. So we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over 3 ln of the absolute value of s. The integration of this one, we have 9 over 7 ln of the absolute value of s minus number 2. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of s squared plus 3. The integration of this one, we have 17 over 7, and we have 1 over the square root of number 3, arctan of s over the square root of number 3. Because number 3, that is about the square root of number 3 in here to the power of 2. And I will put about C. This is the end. Thank you for watching.